Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to make two super easy bookmarks. So let's get started. First, take a cardstock and a piece of OHP sheet or any plastic sheet that you have. Now using some sketch pens, color the plastic sheet. And now spray some water to it and immediately place the cardstock on the plastic sheet and leave it for at least 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, remove the cardstock and let it dry. And now using a compass, I'm making an outline for mandala design. I'm going to make a basic mandala. And now I'm making a mandala design. You can make any mandala design of your choice. And yeah guys, I have already uploaded a video of my mandala designs. I will give the link of that video in the description box. You can check it there. So after finishing the mandala, make a hole using a punching machine and then tie a thread or ribbon to it. And yeah, it is ready. So in the second design, take a cardstock and draw some straight line using a highlighter. You can use any color of your choice. Okay guys, so this step is optional. If you don't want to cut it, it is completely fine. I'm cutting this side because this side is looking a little messed. Now using a blue ball pen or gel pen or any color pen that you want, draw some straight lines between the highlighter marks. And write any text or quote that you wish to. I am writing keep reading. So I'm making an outline using a pencil, and now I'm giving it a perfect shape using a black marker. You can also use sketch pen. And now erase the outlines of pencil. And again using a punching machine, make a hole and tie a thread. And yeah, it is done. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment.